Students, now let us look at an important application, material handling equipment application in the warehouses, which is also being extensively adopted in Pakistan. These are hanging garment systems. These hanging garment systems are not only used in the warehouses, but are being adopted by the garment manufacturing units as well. These are specialist systems for storing and handling garments on hangers. In fact, in our manufacturing units, this hanger system or hanging garment system, it is used for manufacturing the garment with minimum material handling requirements. So the garment as a raw material would be moving in a hanger. And in warehouses, these systems are used to store the garments on hangers, so that the garments would have different characteristics which you cannot have when it is being packed in a carton. For example, it would be very easy for the warehouse to perform some kind of a light assembly work in order to meet demand. How is this possible? If garments are stored on hangers rather than in cartons in a warehouse, it would be very easy to just take them out and put some labels on it. And the labels would be of the region or of a city where they are moving. And you were not sure before about the demand in those areas. So that is why those labels were not attached before. So material handling becomes very easy. And it also suffices the objective of minimizing the cost of material handling. So hanging garment systems are extensively used by those warehouses where the warehouses are actually used as the transshipment point and where garments are stored for some period of time. So let us look at a picture of a hanging garment system in order to understand it fully. This is a view of a warehouse having hanging garments with it. So the garments you can see are stored on the hangers, and these hangers can move automatically. It's kind of an automated system. Even in the manufacturing units, they are automated, and you can actually control the pace of the line as well. Whereas in warehouses, you don't need to control the pace of the line. But when you are actually retrieving these garments for shipping, then the line can be moved. The line is automated and you can move it with the help of a computer controlled mechanism. An important thing attached with these hanging garments would be the RFID technology, so that the different SKUs and the quantity of those SKUs in your inventory would be verified at any point of time, and RFID tags would be attached as well. So this is the extension, this is some extra characteristic that can be added to the hanging garment systems. Thank you.